Yeah, hi, welcome to Bezos. So I have two beautiful girls over there with me, and we are doing a random blog that will be uploaded in YouTube. Now, their Kiss or Slap Prank will be there in Patreon. Those who have not taken the membership, please go ahead and take it. Okay, first question that I'm going to ask you is that what is the best thing that happens to Kolkata, or maybe Kolkata in general? What do you think? That is not there in some other cities, maybe.
Tana rickshaw, which is
Oh my God.
people like
Okay, carry the rickshaws with
yeah,
their
yeah,
hands.
yeah.
So that is happens
very
like
rare.
that happens over here in Kolkata.
yeah.
Like they go by their own way.
Also, you can find that in Rajarhat area.
Okay. So if you are ever come to Kolkata, try to find one. Like they said, like tele rickshaw and everything. Yeah, that's very nice. Okay, that's the best thing that you said. Okay. The question is like there is a lot of cheaters that is there everywhere. Like we have been cheated, maybe you have been cheated, everyone have been cheated. What will be your outcome? Suppose if your partner of your husband or your boyfriend cheats on you.
Cheater is always a cheater.
Okay.
Cheat is a choice. It's like nothing
True.
else.
Okay.
It's a choice. You cheat, that you choice. I have to cheat.
Yeah.
That's the only thing.
Not my answers. So when you find a boy or a man, what are the qualities that you look for?
Transparency. Like I'm here right now, so before I asking, he will say it.
Okay. मतलब कोई छुपा के कुछ नहीं रहेगा. That's what you mean to say.
Transparency. All I need is transparency. And बाकी सब तो मैं afford कर भी लूँ.
Okay, fine. Okay, like old age, like they always used to say, like my grandparents, that you should get married at a proper age and everything and blah blah blah. Is there any perfect time to marry nowadays based on the current situation?
No, it doesn't have any time. Like you get stable, you earn money, you have your own house, you have everything. Then you can get married to have a partner.
Like option.
Not if you don't like, then you can.
Don't.
Okay.
You
So
can
you mean to say
consider-
it should be a choice. It shouldn't be
Yes,
something that have been forced upon you.
Yeah, never.
Okay.
Do
So
what you love. not
exactly.
forcefully.
So what you mean to say, like whenever someone feels perfect,
Yeah.
they should be
You can approach and just
exactly. So you shouldn't be someone that has been forcing or saying that you
Yeah.
shouldn't be. So that shouldn't be the case, right?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. How many boys you have kissed and how many girls you have kissed?
0.
Really?
2.
Okay.
2 boys and 1 girl. Obviously, it's you. No, not that type of kiss. Not that type. It's
Okay,
just
like
a
this chick.
friendship.
Okay. Acha, one thing that I would like to ask you, that you said that is it something that you want? Like you want to kiss after marriage, or what is your plan?
Kiss is just a thing. Just
Now,
you
love of
can do
affection. Okay.
Anything like
Okay.
anything you want, any time you want. But
Okay.
it can be done with the person you are spending your whole life with.
Right. So you basically want someone to get married and then do.
Yeah.
Obviously, great answer. Okay. And the last question. Okay. According to you, whose life is more difficult, a male or a female?
I guess it's both.
Why?
But sometimes it's girls because
Obviously,
men
all those
can-
pain and everything. Yeah.
men can walk freely
Yeah, true,
without
true,
any
true.
clothes, but we
True.
can't.
Okay. Okay. Barring that, beside that, oh my God. Okay.
Except that everything is same. Like it
Nowadays,
can be
everyone can
same.
do every job.
Yeah,
True.
it can be same.
Okay, fine, no issues. So please go ahead and subscribe the channel, those who have not subscribed, and please take the membership, because membership where every fun happens. Thank you so much.